You know, I walked by that. I don't know if you have that store, the Wigs for Kids, and they hate seeing me coming in because I offered to shave off my hair for them. They don't accept that kind of hair, Aaron.
Oh.
No, I asked for a toupee. You're not fooling anyone. You're too old. Well, that's true. But they offered me the end of a mop. Oh, so you can look like a deadhead, only worse. This not. Or did you know I grew up on a farm? Oh, yes, I did. Well, how did you know? How did you know I grew up on a farm? You're keeping a sheep in here? Bah. It's just for the wool. Oh, sure it is.